Customers at Coeur d'Alene's Bulwark Barber Shop stated it bluntly to the guys cutting their hair.
I've been waiting 7 weeks for this haircut.
For the first time since late March, the barbershop was able to welcome back customers on Saturday. They were busy, and Bulwark had way more people than usual trying to get walk-up appointments. Barber Paul Nemec says he's booked out for the next 2.5 weeks.
We had 87 missed calls yesterday, and we've had 8 or 9 people that just walk in and are like, hey, does anybody have any free time?
On Saturday, the state officially entered the second stage of the Idaho Rebounds Plan. That meant that restaurant dining rooms, gyms, and certain other businesses could reopen provided they followed health guidelines. High on the list for many, getting a haircut.
They're completely different people. A lot of them are like, man, I haven't had this long of hair since high school.
Following state guidelines, the Bulwark barbers are wearing face masks and gloves. Customers also aren't allowed to wait inside the shop. Stage 2 also marked a big change for people wanting to travel to North Idaho. Previously, people heading to Idaho for non-essential services had to quarantine in place for 2 weeks when they arrived. But under Governor Brad Little's revised Stay Healthy order, people coming from areas with low case rates or no community spread are free to enter Idaho. If people instead come from an area with a higher case rate, they're now only strongly encouraged to self-quarantine, not required like before. And no surprise, our news crews in downtown Coeur d'Alene this weekend noticed plenty of Washington license plates.
A lot of the walk-ins are, coming over from Washington.
Over in Post Falls, meanwhile,
we did have quite a few folks from Washington.
That was the case at the Sawmill Grill. The restaurant's easy access to I-90 and proximity made it a popular haunt this weekend for some Washingtonians. There were plenty of Idaho customers there too, of course. Like other restaurants, the Sawmill Grill was able to open its dining room for the first time in 7 weeks. While they did takeout during Idaho's stay-home order, it didn't compare to having a dining room crowd.
Saturday was awesome. We were excited.
For now, restaurants are running at half their normal capacity to allow for social distancing, and owner Rob Clark says he's looking forward to the end of this month when the Sawmill Grill can go back to full capacity.
You don't really realize how much that energy affects you until you don't have it. And so to have that energy back was, like I said, was a very positive thing for us.
Taylor Vito, Grim 2 News.